Hello, today we are going to look at how to insert page numbers in Excel. In Excel, if you want to insert page numbers, first click on the View tab. So if you click on the View tab, then you select Page Layout. So when you select the page layout, then you see Add Header. So if you want the numbers, the page numbers to appear at the top of your page, then you click here. But if you want the numbers to appear at the bottom of your page, then you come and select Add Footer. So if you click here, then on the Design tab, you click on Design tab, then you under the Header and Footer, you select Page Number. So when you click on the page number, you see that a function will be inserted here. So if you click outside this white space, you see that the number will appear, the page number. So this is page 1. So if you scroll down, then you see page 2. So this is how to insert page numbers in Excel. Thank you.